Namaste children. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from Madhuban Saral Hindi Patmala Class 4 and Chapter 8 Dant Katha. Dant Katha means story. Dant means dant, the teeth. So a story about a teeth. So let's move to the video. दादी दादी देखो मेरा दांत, भावना बोली. भावना said, Granny Granny see my teeth. दादी भावना की हथेली पर रखा छोटा सा दांत देखकर बोली, इतने दिनों से तकलीफ दे रहा था, आखिर ये टूट ही गया. So the grandma looked at the teeth which was kept in Bhavna's palm, and she was telling, this grandma was telling, so small teeth, it was giving so much of worries to you for so many days. Finally it got broke out. भावना ने पूछा, so भावना asked, दादी अब मैं इसे टूटे दांत को क्या करूं? So grandma, what would I do with this broken teeth now? दादी ने समझाया. So दादी, the granny make her understand. इसे अपने तकिए के नीचे रख दो. So keep it under the pillow. रात को अनोखी परी आएगी और इसे ले जाएगी. So during night time some strange angel will come and this angel will take this teeth along with her. भावना टुमक कर बोली. So this भावना, she said immediately, दादी कोई परी नहीं आएगी. So grandma, no angel will come. आप मेरा दांत उठाकर फेंक दोगी. You will take the teeth and you will throw it away. अनन्या भी यह कह रही थी. Ananya also was telling like this. अनन्या भावना की सहेली थी. So Ananya was Bhavna's friend. दोनों पहली कक्षा में ही साथ साथ पढ़ रही थी. So they both were studying in first standard. अनन्या के ऊपर के दो दांत टूट चुके थे. So Ananya's upper jaw's 2 teeth was been broken like the same way. रात हुई, the night has come. भावना सोच रही थी. So भावना was thinking, इस दांत का क्या करूं? So what would I do with this teeth? परियां तो होती नहीं जो ले जाएंगी. So the angels are nowhere to take this teeth. अनन्या ऐसे ही कह रही थी. Ananya was telling like this. वह मुझसे 2 महीने बड़ी है. So Ananya is elder than me by 2 months. ज्यादा जानती है. She knows much. लेकिन दादी कह रही थी कि दांतों वाली अनोखी परी आएगी. But grandma was telling like this strange angel will be coming to pick this teeth. क्या नाम होगा उस परी का? दंत परी या अनोखी दंत परी? So what would be the name of the angel? It could be a teeth angel, otherwise strange teeth angel. वह इन दांतों को क्या करेगी? So what these angels will do with this teeth? Oh, शायद दादी ठीक कह रही हो. Might be grandma would be telling the truth. सोचते सोचते भावना को नींद आने लगी. So thinking this way, भावना fell asleep. उसने अपना दांत तकिए के नीचे रख दिया और सो गई. So she just kept her teeth under the pillow and she slept off. 3 परियां बैठी बातें कर रही थी. So the 3 angels were sitting and they were talking to each other. चांदनी बोली. So one angel named Chandni, she was telling, भावना का मानना है कि हम है ही नहीं. So भावना is thinking that we are nowhere. किरण परी बोली. So the Kiran angel said, हमें कुछ करना चाहिए. We have to do something. रोशनी बोली. हाँ हमें जरूर कुछ करना चाहिए. So रोशनी, the angel said, yes, we have to do something. भावना सुबह उठी. So भावना woke up in the morning. दांत तकिए के नीचे नहीं था. So the teeth was not under the pillow. हाँ, एक पर्ची पड़ी थी, उस पर लिखा था. So paper was there and it was written there. दांत लिया है, दांत ही देंगे. एक नहीं हम 2 देंगे. So it was written on the paper. So we have taken the teeth. We have given back only the teeth. एक नहीं, not only 1. हम 2 दे देंगे. We will give 2. भावना प्रतीक्षा करने लगी कि कब उसका नया दांत आएगा. So भावना was waiting for her new teeth to come. इसी बीच एक दांत और टूट गया. So in between one more teeth fell off. वह जब भी अपना मुंह शीशे में देखती है तो उसे बुरा लगता. So whenever she is seeing herself in the mirror, she seems to be very bad. आगे के दो दांतों की जगह कुछ न था. So there was nothing in front of the teeth. So the teeth was there earlier. So now there is no teeth in that place. हाँ, भावना का दूसरा दांत टूटा तो उसने दादी को नहीं बताया. Yes, when the next teeth fell down, she didn't tell her grandma. जद से तकिए के नीचे रख दिया. So immediately she just kept her teeth under the pillow. रात होने पर वह अपने आप से बोली. So the night came and she was talking to herself. आज पूरी रात जाकर परियों को देखूंगी. So tonight I will wake up completely and I will see the angels. परंतु तकिए पर सिर रखते ही उसे नींद आ गई. Whereas when she kept her head on the pillow, she just slept off. जब सुबह उठी तो देखा कि दांत तकिए के नीचे नहीं था. So when she woke up in the morning, she cannot see the teeth under the pillow. एक कागज रखा था, रंग बिरंगा कागज. So a paper was left over there and it was a colorful paper. उस पर लिखा था something written over there. हम परियां हैं दूर देश की, अलग अलग और कई देश की. दांत लिया है दांत ही देंगी, एक नहीं दो दो दे देंगी. So we are the angels from far away countries. So we are from separate different countries and we are in different costumes. दांत लिया है, so we have taken your teeth. We will be giving back only the teeth back. एक नहीं, not only one, we will give two. भावना ने दांतों तले उंगली दबा ली. So दांतों तले उंगली दबा ली means getting surprised. So भावना got surprised. वह दौड़ी दादी के पास गई और बोली. So she ran towards her grandma and she said, दादी परियों वास्तव में होती है. So she was telling grandma, actually the angels are there. Oh, मेरे मुंह में दर्द हो रहा है. Oh, I feel some pain in my mouth. लगता है नया दांत आ गया है. So I feel like I think new teeth has come. दादी उसका खुला मुंह देखकर बोली. So the grandma, by seeing her open mouth, she said, भावना तुम्हारे एक नहीं दो दांत निकल रहे हैं. So भावना, you don't have one new teeth, but two new teeth are coming. एक टूटी हुई जगह पर और एक पीछे. So one new teeth you're getting in the place where your tooth has been broken, and one behind the new teeth. एक ही जगह दो तो आ ही गए. So in one place you got two new teeth. 4 दिन में दो और आ जाएंगे. So in 4 to 6 days you will be getting 2 more new teeth. अब तो खुश हो. Now you're happy. उन्होंने फिर पूछा. So grandma asked again. अब अपनी सखियों को और उस अनन्या को क्या बताओगी? So now what you will be telling to your friends and to that friend Ananya? भावना हंसते हुई बोली. So भावना smilingly said, परियां होती है दादी. Yes, I agree that angels are there. नहीं, मेरी दादी ही वह अनोखी परी है. No, my grandma is my strange angel. So this is the story. This is a story about a small girl losing her old teeth and she is regaining her new teeth. It's a granny story. Hope I've explained you line by line. So do well and read well. Thank you.